Hi guys, you're watching Cardz TV with Mary. The other day I showed you a 2-page layout that I made with this beautiful Chelsea Garden workshop on the go from Close to My Heart. My sweet friend Linda, who's a Close to My Heart consultant, sent me this kit to try it out and to show it to all of you. And I just think it's gorgeous. I love the layouts that I did. They were super quick and easy because this comes with a booklet that tells you the sizes to cut everything for each layout, and there are 3 2-page layouts that you can do with this kit. And they also include enough supplies to do 6 cards, and they give you 3 card examples and tell you how to cut the pieces for those. Well, as I said, I got my 2-page layout done, and I wanted to do some cards. So today I'm going to do 4 cards. I'm not using the ones that they gave me the layouts for. You know me, I like to do my own thing. So that's what I've done. So we're going to do 4 cards today. Okay, for our first card, I've got a green card base, and this is a landscape style card. It folds at the top. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. And I took some of that beautiful paper from that Chelsea Gardens kit, and I used a scalloped rectangle die. I've cut that out. We're going to get that adhered to the front. And those papers are double-sided, so it makes it hard to decide which side you want to use. But I went with the pretty one on the other side of this because it's got those gorgeous butterflies on it, along with some pretty little flowers and leaves. And we're going to get this centered. I'm going to try real hard not to make this video too long, guys. Then I took some scalloped stitched oval dies, and I cut one out of that same green. And then this was a little, there's a little sheet that comes with journaling rectangles, and you can see the other side. They go landscape and portrait style. Well, I just went ahead and cut out this cute little watering can with that scalloped die. I'm going to adhere these together and then pop this up on some foam tape. We'll go ahead and center this. This is such a quick card. Now I've got this little black and white gingham bow I'm going to add to the top. And then for the sentiment, I used Cardz TV mini messages, and I stamped Happy Birthday on a piece of the gray cardstock that comes with this kit, and I've got it popped up. And I'm going to add that right here. Let's see. I think right about there. And I'll get my little bow stuck down, and I'm going to use some of this art glitter glue because I forgot my glue dots, but I think this will hold it. And here is card number 1, guys. For card number 2, we're going to do a portrait style card. This is also 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, folded on the side. It's a white card base. Then I'm going to take a piece of that gray cardstock, which I've cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Layer that on. And then here's some more of that beautiful Chelsea Gardens diagonal stripe. This is the other side. Both sides are gorgeous. I'll get that layered on. Then this is the other side of the one I used for card number 1. Look at those beautiful flowers. I'm going to attach that to this side, and then this is one of the border strips from the top, and that's going on next. Okay, I think that is so pretty. I love these papers and these colors. Now I took a die and cut out a stitch tag. This is one of the stickers from the sticker pack that comes with this kit, and I used a Cardz TV stamp set. and I can't remember which one this is, and stamped, "You are simply wonderful." This is popped up on some foam tape. Now guys, if you want to, if you make this card, you can run some ribbon or something through the hole in this tag, but I didn't do that. I just decided not to. I liked it just the way it was. So there is card number 2. For card number 3, I used some of that gray cardstock for this 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. And then this is one of the papers from the kit. Here's the back side. Either side on this one would be cute. But I decided to go with this one. I'll go ahead and get this attached to the front of my card. I'm going to have to get some more art glitter glue. I'm getting low. And then I used some more of that gray cardstock, as well as another piece from that kit, which is a very pretty kind of a teal blue with white leaves in it. I'm going to attach these two pieces together, and this is going to go right over here on the side. Next, I took a stitched square die, and I've cut out 3 white squares, which I'm going to line up right here, just like that. And then I used these flowered chipboard stickers that came in the kit. Just some pretty little flowers. I'm going to put the large one in the center, and then the small and the medium on the other two. And before I adhere these down, I want to add my sentiment, so I make sure I leave room for it, because the sentiment, I cut a gray strip and then a piece of white, and I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink and the Cardz TV Bigger Everyday Sayings, I think is the one I used for this. And this has to go right down here, just like that. So I'm going to make sure I've got room for everything. I'm going to get these adhered down, and I think I will pop these squares up. And then I have these pretty enamel dots in that gorgeous blue, and I'm going to put one in the center of each of these flowers. For our 4th card, our 4th and final card, we've got a white card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I've got some gray cardstock, which is going down first, and then this beautiful floral from that Chelsea Garden Workshop on the Go. Isn't that beautiful paper? I just love that. All the papers in this kit are so pretty. Now, this was one of the little cards that came for journaling, or if you do pocket page scrapbooking, you could use it for that, or you could use it for the front of cards. But I cut a banner out of this, and then I used some of the charcoal gray enamel dots that come in the kit, and I've got this popped up on some foam tape. So we're going to stick this on the front. All right, now we're ready to finish up our card. Now these are 2 stickers that came from one of the stickers sheets that comes with the Chelsea Gardens kit, and I'm going to put those right about there. I've got these on foam tape. And then for my sentiment, I cut a little white banner, and I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I stamped "You're so kind," because this would be a very nice thank you card. And I've got that on foam tape, and that's going to go right there. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Go see Linda now if you're interested in this kit, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.